2025 Toyota Crown key fob battery replacement. It's pretty simple. We're going to remove the spare key out of the remote first. To do that, you have this sliding button right here. We're going to slide it to the left and hold it down with our thumb. Then you can pull out the emergency key or the spare key. This just opens the door if you didn't know. Now if we look inside the remote, they give us a place to pry using a screwdriver so we don't damage the remote. But if you look right here in the center, right here, there's a little slot. The screwdriver can go in here, and all you gotta do is give it a twist and it cracks it right open. See that? That's so we're not prying at this part here. Okay, it's not the slot the key goes in, not this slot, but this slot right here in the center. Okay, so we just pop it open like that. Now when you do this, you want to have the buttons facing down, because this can all come out. When this comes out, the little rubber piece comes out, all these little buttons can fall out too. So we want to do it with the remote facing down. You want to hold onto the remote and the battery like this, go at the bottom, and just pop the battery out from its little holder. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2450 battery, positive sign. It's always going to be facing out towards us. You put it in the top first here, you lock it down like that. If you need a battery, I'll have a link in the description box and in the comment box. It takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a brand new Panasonic battery there. They're really cheap there. We just get the remote and start at the top and work our way down. It should click back together. Emergency key goes back in, locks, you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for me if you could, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.